From Sooner Standards, Identifying Common Cybersecurity Threats, a complete Grade 7 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 7.NI.CY.01. Students learn to identify cybersecurity concerns and options to address issues: phishing, social engineering, unsecured Wi-Fi, and suspicious downloads. Inside, a full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual threat comparison chart, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQIM rubric, plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 Daltons is of no prep. HQIM aligned instruction across 35 ready to print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.